Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to add apps to Android Auto. So let's start. So first let's go to settings. Here on settings, just right here on the search settings, auto or Android, depending on what you prefer. And then let's wait until appears the option. Let's click on Android Auto. And when we are here, just scroll down and let's go to display, and then let's click on customize launcher. Just click here, just wait a little bit, and then when we are here, just select the apps that you prefer appears on your Android Auto. So you can select the apps, or if you prefer don't appear the app, you can tick off. And if you prefer appear something, just click here. Okay, so that's the way to do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.